بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب زدني علما.
Like Ethernet is what? Now he will give you some options. Out of these options, what is true? True means there will be some false statements given here, and as well as there are true statements given here. So probably you have to tick the correct option. So like Ethernet is 802.3 protocol, right? 802.3, that's a protocol for Ethernet. And of course, apart from that, it uses CSMA-CD. CSMA-CD is something it uses collision detection. CA is used for in wireless. So you need to know the differences. We'll discuss some wireless concepts. Here we don't have questions anyway. 10 best is actually a full duplex, so it's not half duplex. So you need to remove the wrong option sometimes, because sometimes you may be in a doubt. Okay, 2 or 3. So this is not the correct answer. This is not the correct answer, and this is used for wireless. So if you even if you strike off the wrong answers, also you can filter the correct answer. This is also another way you can filter the questions.